Okay, sorry about that. I think I accidentally pressed a late delete on that, but I'm just going to go part two of this video. So just continue on what I do see. BTC, I don't think it's done. And I saw something on ETH as well. So looking here on a 1 hour, we've got to pull up. There's nothing happening here to say that we're going to reverse from here right now. So I am looking at a lower reversal point. So I know this looks like a running flat, which is ideal. However, we're right at a top and there's so much opportunity for the market makers to make some money here and manipulate the whole market. So if there's too many people going long or short, they're going to take everybody out here. And I don't think it's done what it needs to do. You know, for this straight up move, there's all this correction here. I don't know if that's going to be enough. What I do see is this maybe coming down further, which is ideally where I want it to go, and then go up. Or if it goes from here up, which I don't see, because I was still looking for the rest of the market to drop a bit more. So I'm not biased to the upside right now. I'm still biased for a little bit more further downside and then to move up. Now that'll facilitate these sellers that are that are shorting the market, and then it'll take them out their stops from the top. That's that. Even with ETH, so I picked it up in the lower time frame here last night when I was watching. I don't normally watch these ones because I'm not really trading them. However, we've got a clear order block in here. However, we've also got some very nice sweet equal lows here, which I'm a bit cautious that, and I think it might end up targeting it, to be quite honest. So this is, I'm biased to the more downside overall on the whole market, just a little bit more at least. And I've found some possibilities where it can go too. So ETH down to 38.90 or so, 38.8, and BTC to 55. So I am looking overall for more downside. Now moving back onto Metis, there was a couple of more things that I noticed on it. And I'm more favoring to the downside more again, because look at all this. This is equal lows here. That's prime. So what they'll do is this is just engineering. They'll do equal lows and everybody will think, oh, we're going north, we'll put our stops here, bang. They'll come down, retest it. Oh, that's so secure. We're gonna, it's not gonna go below here. In fact, that's just building liquidity here. People who are going long will put their stops here because technically it's invalidated if it goes below here, so to speak. And people who are already long, they might hedge their position by going short here. Right, so either or, there's a pool of liquidity happening here, and it's building and it's building. And I do see now that it's mitigated this order, so it's dropped down, comes back, mitigate, neutralize that position. So it's watch this. So effectively, what it's done, here's your order block, bang, down, neutralize, down. Manipulation here, order block, down, back, neutralize. This is the play. So down, we're looking for it to come down here, take everything back out, go back up into here, because this here is going to be up, down. It's going to end up playing out like this. You can see it already. Down, up, down, it's coming down now, drop, it'll come back, neutralize, create that order block, trap those people, down, take everyone out, take all this liquidity, come back up, back neutralize into that order block or wherever it plays out, wherever it ends up happening from this, and then drop back down. Everybody will think will be, oh, that's over, I'm out of the market, and everybody's back out of the market. There'll be no one left, and it's just going to come down to where it needs to go, where we want it to come, which is around the 50 level, which was what we were after, which will be around here. However, in terms of rebalancing the market, it's usually at least 50%. So the highs were 110, 50% of that would be 55. So 55 is right about there. So we're in the money here, and this is looking more and more now. This is pure the market making the algo that's operating the back end, facilitating the market. It's obviously got some sort of excess of orders, or there's an imbalance there of orders that's happened, and to rebalance the whole market, it's manipulating them. It's moving the market by manipulating it, and they're not at a loss. If that makes sense, it's hard to explain. It takes a long time to understand it. but that's how I see this. Now, if all this fails, the failure level will be right here. If it breaks that, and we're going north. So you've got a very, very small gap, and this is how tight you can make things be. Little window of opportunity, and where it actually invalidates, properly invalidates. So if it breaks here, that means this whole move is invalidated. There's no need, because there's no need for the algo to go here unless it's actually going north. Okay, everything else we're going short, and we can play it like that. Now you can make some money. You got some balls, you can make some money. And then we go. Not many opportunities like this coming up, so keep your eyes on it. And now that you understand how this could actually play out, to use it to your advantage if you can. Good luck.